Prepare the surface by wiping off dust with a damp cloth. Apply masking tape to the top of the decal like so. Position the decal in the desired spot. Peel and cut off the bottom half of the backing. Apply the exposed area to the surface. Secure it by applying pressure evenly with the tool provided. Peel off masking tape, exposing the remaining backing. Remove the backing and apply decal. Smooth out by applying even pressure with tool provided. Remove masking tape slowly at a 45-degree angle.